Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about selective repeat ARQ. ARQ is nothing but automatic repeat request. We know that sliding window consists of two partitions. One is the go back n method and another is the selective repeat ARQ. In last video we have discussed about the go back n method, and now also we have solved some example on go back n method. Now we have to learn about selective repeat ARQ. We know that this is the type of sliding window, and and this is the protocol which is available in data link layer, right? Now in selective repeat ARQ, what happened, whenever suppose sender is sending any particular data to the receiver, sender is sending any data to the receiver, and it has been received by, once it has been received by the receiver, it will transmit the acknowledgement, correct? It will simply transmit the acknowledgement. But what if meanwhile suppose any noise will occur in between the transmission, and whatever the data is transmitted by the sender will be corrupted or will be lost during the transmission, then what will happen? The receiver will not get that data, and because of that receiver is not aware about any data which is coming from the sender, so it will not transmit any acknowledgement for the particular frame, right? So how this will be identified by the sender? Because of its timer, the timer which is started whenever the frame will be transmitted by the sender, the timer will be started at his end, and whenever this timer will go off, sender will identify this frame has not been received by the receiver, so I have to retransmit the same frame. So this particular frame will be retransmitted to the receiver, right? Once the receiver will get that frame, then and then only he is going to transmit the acknowledgement, and then sender will get to know that yes, this has been received by the receiver. Okay, this is the simple concept we can say. And we know that in go back n method, the last method which we have discussed, in go back n method, what happened, whatever, suppose if any frame will not be received, then how many frames a sender has to retransmit? Whatever the frames are available in the current window, those all frames will be retransmitted in go back n. In go back n, whatever the frames will be available in the current window frame, then current window, then all the frames has to be retransmitted. But this is not happen, and because of that, what happened, even if the frame remaining frames are received by the receiver, then also receiver has to drop that frame, and due to that, what happened, to transmit the same frame without any error or without any problem in that particular frame, we need to retransmit the frame, we need to retransmit the same frame number of times, right? And we are reusing the bandwidth for the same purpose, and that problem will be overcome into the selective repeat ARQ. Now in selective repeat ARQ, if any one of the frame will be unacknowledged, or it will be, suppose the negative acknowledgement if will come from the receiver side, then sender will only retransmit that particular frame which has not received, for which frame any acknowledgement has not yet received. Okay, that particular frame only sender has to retransmit. That is the main concept behind this selective repeat ARQ. Now what will happen, by using this feature, the main purpose is that to utilize properly the bandwidth available in between the sender and the receiver. So there will not be so we are not sending number of frames again and again, right? And we are not using the bandwidth to retransmit the frame again and same frame again and again, right? That is the main concept behind this selective repeat ARQ. Now for that, let me just take one example to understand this concept in deep. Consider this is a sender and this is a receiver. Okay, and suppose 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, total 6 frames are ready to transmit at sender side, and sender has to transmit all the frames to the receiver. Now, and consider here the window size is 3. Fine. Now suppose sender has started to transmit the frame. The first frame has been transmitted. Okay, now we know that the window size is 3, so the current window will consist of 3 frames, 1 2 and 3, from which one has been transmitted. Now this window will define how many frames can be transmitted at the same time before receiving the acknowledgement for the very first transmitted frame. Am I correct? So that is the purpose of this window. So meanwhile sender can transmit this second and the third frame also. So second frame transmitted and the third frame transmitted. Okay, now suppose the first frame has been received by the receiver and now receiver is transmitting the acknowledgement for the first frame. Okay, now consider second frame has okay, after receiving the first acknowledgement, the window will shift to the left. So now sender will transmit the fourth one. We know this concept already, right? Now the sender will transmit the fourth one. Now meanwhile, if the second has received by the receiver and he has transmitted the acknowledgement, but in between the transmission this acknowledgement has been lost, this acknowledgement will not received by the sender. Okay, for the second acknowledgement will not be received by the sender. Now receiver, okay, meanwhile again third frame is also received by the receiver. So now third is also transmitted, the third acknowledgement is also transmitted. Receiver is assuming that I have transmitted the second frame acknowledgement, but this is not received by the sender yet. Okay, he has not received any acknowledgement. So meanwhile the timer which is already started for the second frame, whenever the second frame has been transmitted, the timer has already started at sender side. So this timer will go off, and after the timer will go off, sender will identify that for this particular frame I have not received acknowledgement yet, but I have received the acknowledgement for the third one. Okay, the third acknowledgement I have received. If the third one will be received, what will happen? The frame will shifted to left, and now the fifth will be transmitted whenever the third acknowledgement will be received. Okay, but the second frame acknowledgement is not yet received, so the timer will go off, and now sender will identify I have received the third one also, but I have not yet received the second acknowledgement. So now sender is going to retransmit only the second frame, only the second frame. If there is a case of go back N, then what will happen in this situation? All the frames which are available in the current window, second, third and fourth, all has to be retransmitted, right? That is the case of go back N. But in selective repeat ARQ, only that frame will be retransmitted whose acknowledgement is not yet received, or a negative acknowledgement is received for this particular frame, then only that particular frame will be retransmitted. So this is the basic concept behind this selective repeat. Okay, only selective frame will be repeated by the sender. This is called as selective repeat ARQ. Okay.